In this video, I'll guide you through how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM. We'll walk step by step from opening Zoho CRM all the way to sending a batch of emails to multiple leads at once. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can save time and keep your outreach organized. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho CRM website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. The layout can vary a bit depending on your setup, but you should see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Sales. This is where Zoho groups most of the core sales-related modules like leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. Go ahead and click on Sales. This will expand or switch you into the sales area so you can access your leads list. Next, within the sales section, find and click on Leads. The Leads module is where all your potential customers or prospects are stored. When you click into it, you'll see a list or table view of your leads, usually with columns like name, company, email, phone number, and other details you may have added. Now you're ready to choose who you want to email. In the leads list, you'll notice a checkbox next to each lead's name, and usually one at the top of the column that can select multiple records at once. To send a bulk email, you need to select multiple leads. You can either click the checkboxes next to individual leads you want to include, or use the top checkbox to select all leads in the current view, then deselect any you don't want. Take a moment here to be deliberate about your selection, because everyone you check will receive the email you're about to send. Once you've selected your leads, look for the Send Email option. This is often displayed as a button near the top of the page above the leads table. Click Send Email. Zoho CRM will open a new email window or panel where you can prepare your message to be sent to all of the selected leads at once. Instead of typing out a brand new email, the easiest and most consistent way to send bulk emails is to use a template. In the email window, you'll see an option to choose or insert a template. Click to select a template, then browse through your existing email templates. These might include things like welcome emails, follow-up messages, or promotional campaigns. Pick the one that best matches the purpose of your outreach. When you select it, Zoho will automatically fill in the subject line and body of the email, including any merge fields like the lead's name. Before sending, quickly scan the email content to make sure everything looks right and is appropriate for all of the selected leads. If necessary, you can make small edits directly in the email window, but remember that changes here apply only to this batch, not to the saved template. When you're satisfied with the recipients, the chosen template, and the email content, you're ready for the final step. Click Send. Zoho CRM will process your request and deliver the email to all the leads you selected. Depending on your settings, you can later review email status or engagement inside the CRM to see who opened or interacted with your message. That's all there is to it. You've just sent a bulk email in Zoho CRM using leads, selections, and a template, making your outreach faster and more consistent.